Hi, good morning. Paul here. It's February 27th. Tomorrow's the last day of the month already. Okay, let's see what's going on in the market here. New listings last couple of days. So today we have a two-story condo here, 1109 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Okay. Downstairs unit, nicely refurbished. Pool spa. Pretty nice. Okay, where is this little guy? Built 1989. Cheyenne and Rampart. Okay. There we go. And then a $999,000 house here. 4,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, pool, spa. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Looks like a carport here, back to the garage. It's quite interesting. Valet parking in your own house. Okay. Pool, spa. Nice drone shot. Nice glass doors. So $1 million will buy you this house. Looks like they're ready to party. Nice bar here, breakfast bar. Good sized kitchen. Find out what this outside oasis looks like. Indoor spa tub. Upstairs to the little loft office. Trying to get to the backyard, wherever it might be hiding. Okay, barbecue area, pool, nice sitting area. It's got a large lot. What size lot is this? Half an acre. It's nice. Okay, and that is Rainbow and Desert Inn. Okay. And yesterday we've got manufactured home for $53,000. No pictures. There's another one, manufactured $55,000. See what this one looks like. So you can buy this for $55,000. Looks like it's number 28, huh? Oh, I shouldn't laugh. It's a place for somebody to live for $55,000. It's pretty rough. Broken windows. No flooring. That has to be cash only. Man, thing's been torn apart. Wow, gutted. What does it say here? Not converted to real property either, so you're just paying for the lot basically. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, so highest price in the last 2 days. Promontory Ridge Drive, almost 6 million, 12,000 square feet. Wow. Wowie. Oh, I like that study. That is really nice. Very nice. Room, wine room, nice kitchen. Very nice house. It's even got a theater room there. Wow. So, $6 million will get you a theater room and a huge office. He's got a workout room too, with a wet bar. Nice outdoor living area. That's pretty darn nice. Basketball. Where is this little guy? Summerlin area. Okay, got it. Alright, well that's the last couple of days. Under contract, 13,900, just under 500 properties in escrow, 285 sold. Let's see, today is the 27th. Okay, one today, 239,000 single family. Huh, interesting, no square footage. What happened there? Been around since Christmas. Okay, it's out of the area here. I don't know where Gunnison is. That's Pahrump. Okay. Okay, so locally, we have a townhome, one-bedroom townhome, $85,000. One bedroom, one story. Not bad. Flamingo in Paradise. Just above the airport there, close to the strip. Okay, 26th. Priced 2.2 million, 7,100 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 4-car garage. Interesting. Nice house. 2.2 million. Golf course. Look at the size of that sucker. Man. Shot of the strip. Beautiful outdoor living area. Donald Ranch, okay? Donald Island. Sounds good. Well, I think that's it for today. I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.